Hey, what's going on, guys? I've done an upgrade on my Mac Mini late 2014. I've replaced the stock hard disk with an SSD. Before that, my Mac Mini was running terribly slow and I couldn't even get simple work done. It took ages to start Microsoft Word. Most of the time, I had to keep the application running on background so that I can start working almost instantaneously if needed. I had to be cautious with my shortcut hitting Command W to close softwares, but not the Command Q. Otherwise, I have to start waiting all over again. I'm sure you get what I mean of a slow Mac. Naturally, I turned to my Windows laptop for work, internet, photo editing and such. Even though the laptop is much older, I'm talking about Intel Core 2 Duo running Windows 7. It's running fine because I had the SSD installed. Somehow recently, it blue screened me. Which one should I fix first? The Mac Mini obviously needed hardware upgrade, but nothing much upgradable. Then the Windows laptop needed reformatting, but installing back to Windows 7? I really hesitate. Wait, what about putting the SSD to my Mac? I heard many done that and the speed of Mac increases a lot. Also, the warranty of my Mac has expired, so I might as well do that. I did some research and I needed some tools for opening the Mac Mini. After the tools arrive, I can now start. First, I need to take out the SSD from the Windows laptop. It's fairly easy, only needed a mini Phillips screwdriver. After it is taken out, just put it aside. Before I open it, I reformatted the Mac and did a clean install of macOS Catalina, the latest operating system. The reason I did this because I wanted to know the pure speed increment I would get from swapping the old hard disk to the new SSD, with everything else the same. Same operating system, same processor, same RAM, just a hard disk swap. After I've done the clean install of the OS, I quickly install Blackmagic Disk Speed Test app. This is the result. It's about almost 100 meg per second for each read and write. The next thing I need to do is to clone this fresh install hard disk to the SSD. I put the SSD into an external case and plug in the USB. After it was done, I put the SSD running the exact macOS Catalina via USB cable. I haven't swapped the hard disk yet because to make sure the OS is running fine and okay on SSD. Nice! They are now running about 240 meg per second for reading and 220 meg per second for writing. More than double the speed now, and I suspect it will be faster once installed into the Mac Mini. Okay, the SSD is ready to replace the standard hard disk. But first, the warning, this will void your warranty for opening up your Mac Mini. Mine has expired, so let's do this. Some opening tools are needed here. Security style screwdriver TR6, TR9, plastic pry tool, and a logic board removal tool. I actually don't have the security TR6, only Torx T6. But I tried it anyway. The T6 screwdriver is really not working here. Oops, I think I broke the screw and now the screws are fitted for T6. Well, anyway, as long as it works. And so I continue. this and put everything back. Let's turn it on. Oh good, all running as cloned from the old hard disk. First thing we need to see is the speed test. Wow, it's now over 500 meg per second for reading and 480 meg for writing. Very nice upgrade with just the SSD install. The overall experience is much quicker now and snappier. What a revival of the Mac Mini 2014. For more information on the tools I use, please check the description below. This is Manfred S. I'll see you next time.